Welcome, today in front of me OPPO Reno7 Lite, and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google of Google Assistant on this device. So let's just first launch the Google application, and after that tap here on the right upper corner. Then here you'll see the settings application and tap to the voice section. After that, click to the voice mode, and to activate OK Google feature, click once on the switcher, then tap here to OK, next, yes I agree, and say OK Google. OK Google. OK Google. Now just tap here to finish, and that's it. Now the OK Google feature activated successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.